Hey guys, thanks for choosing Geekborn. So, I took a small break from what I was doing at work because on my way here, I picked up 5 Unified Minds booster packs. If you've been following the channel, my videos, my last lot of Unified Minds when I picked up a whole bunch a couple weeks ago when the set first came out, and slowly opened them up, haven't gotten anything. I got a bunch of error packs. They didn't have any kind of pulls in them whatsoever, except for regular rares and holographic rares. Those are the only things I got in the whole entire lot of 13 boosters that I opened. So I bought these from another retailer somewhere else, went to GameStop, picked these up. Hopefully find something good. I've seen a lot of awesome cards. I did have my Elite Trainer box and I got some cool pulls out of that, and a couple of other packs that I bought around that time. We'll go through. We'll see. Not a great start with the green code card. Almost messed up. Alright. Metal Energy. Got Fracture. Beskelin. Munchlax. Salandit. We got a Gibble. Suwaddle. Bidoof. We got Skorupi. Reverse holographic of that Recycle Energy, and a regular rare. Not bad. We've still got 4 more to go. I gotta kind of be quick because, you know, I'm supposed to be at work. So we'll open up some packs and I'll also through and get everything done tonight. Alright. Another green code card. Gonna be alright. It's only pack number 2. 3, 4 from the back. Bam. Dark Energy. Misty's Favor. Noctowl. Karakosta. This is Joltik. Yeah, Joltik. Dratini. Yungoos. Yanma. Execute. A reverse holographic Misty's Favor. And a regular rare Latias. That's pretty cool, to be honest. Even a regular rare Latias card looks pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Alright, booster number 3. On to the next. We're kind of flying through these packs. Usually my videos go a little bit slower. We got a green one. Again, another code card for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back, and a bam! Fairy type energy card. Pokémon Research Lab. We got Luminion, Normilion Z Tackle, Execute, an Alolan Grimer, a Hoot. We're having a Hoot out here. Carablast. A Honedge. Reverse holographic Dragonair. That looks nice. And a regular Magmortar. 2 glass boosters. Let's hope there is something inside one of the Unified Minds booster packs. This one wasn't sealed properly. Huh. That's because it looks like the code card got in the way. You guys can't really see it. There's a little bit of a thing. There's a white code card. So, the top, my rare does not. So the top 3 cards all have edges where they weren't put into the packs all the way. But those are the 4 from the back that go in the front. You have a water type energy, no damage. A slightly damaged Dragonair with the frills at the top. Dhelmise, same thing. We have a Heracross, this is the last one I believe with the damage on the top. A Skorupi, a Wimpod, a Noibat, a Sneasel, Bounsweet, reverse holographic Grimsley, and a holographic Celebi. That is awesome. If you watch my most recent video in the background, I believe that video had the copy of Pokemon Forever, which features Celebi. It's a legendary. Alright, the last Unified Minds booster for this video. Quick work video. And another green code card. Can't get them all, guys. It's okay. More cards on the way. Bam! Psychic. We got Archain. Beyond Mega. Ear Ringing Bell. Drillbur. Slacking off. Boongus. Honage. Magnemite. Oh, I skipped it. The reverse holographic Pikachu. Oh, he's so cute. Look at it. Oh my god. It's so cute. I love it. So we got a regular rare. Alright. Well, my favorite pull is probably the Pikachu card. It's not the best pull we got, but it is a decent pull. Fun. We didn't get any great pulls this pack. We got our reverse holographic, or our regular holographic Celebi. Glad to have it. But remember, you know, all pulls are decent pulls, especially in Unified Minds when we have actual pulls to pull. Thanks for tuning in. Join us next time. Like, share, subscribe, Pokemon. Remember, some of us are born geeky, and have a great night.